Hey YouTubers, Tim Townley here. Today we're going to talk about the Sony WH-H910N noise cancelling headphones. So these Sony headphones are noise cancelling and they have a bunch of different features. They even come with an app. Everything comes with an app, of course. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that I'm talking about these 910 version, which are available in the UK and in Asia. But there is a version that's very similar, almost exactly the same, which is in North America, and that's the 900 version. Now, these are great headphones for use with doing video productions. If you want to connect to your camera wirelessly or whatever, you can even plug it in with the included 3-foot 3.5 millimeter jack cable, and it comes with a nice little bag, comes with a USB-C charging cable, comes with all sorts of little goodies there. Now on this noise cancelling is really good. Like, I have not had a noise cancelling set of headphones before I got these. Now, I bought these when I was in Japan, and ever since I got them, I love them. They are fantastic. Like, I have some traffic and stuff that goes by the house, and when I'm doing my editing, I love being able to use these headphones to cancel out that part of things and then do my editing like that. And speaking of that, when you're doing it wirelessly with your computer, the latency on this is so low that it doesn't matter that it's wireless on this. Like, I haven't had any trouble using it wirelessly with my computer. The latency is so low that unless you're doing very specific audio stuff, then you should always have it plugged in for that when you're doing like really specific audio cuts and working with audio specifically. But if you're just doing some video editing and stuff, doing it with a wireless pair of noise cancelling headphones with this kind of low latency, you won't have a problem. Now, the charge on this is excellent too. You're gonna get 35 hours out of a full charge, and say you run out, you just need to charge it for 10 minutes and you got 2.5 hours of use on this. Like, really good. Now, some of the cool features on this is it comes with a mic, so you can take calls and stuff like that. So if you have it hooked up and you're listening to music and the music will die away or pause while you take a call on this, no problem. And when you put them on, and you put your hand over the side here like this, you're going to get the outside atmosphere, so it's called pass-through. And you're gonna be able to use them that way. So if you're talking to somebody, if you are doing something where you need to hear what's going on outside, you could just put your hand over the side and you can use it that way. Now, another cool thing about this surface here is that you can set some different things in the app, but you can switch between songs flipping back and forth this way. You can raise or lower the volume going up or down. You can do taps to pause. You can do all sorts of things with this touchpad, and it's really neat. The other thing is it has this cool little button on the side here. There's the power button, and then there's the other button, and that button there is kind of a select button. You can do whatever you decide in the app, like have it activate Alexa or activate Siri, and then you can ask it to do whatever you do with those things. On the bottom, that's where your USB-C charging cable will go, and also your 3.5 millimeter jack is there, and your microphone is down there as well. It has a nice leather cup to it, and these are over-the-ear headphones, so they cover your ears completely. Just cup them in there and you get this really nice clean noise canceling from this. Now you can hear a little bit of stuff outside, but it's not terrible. It's not bad at all. And it's really comfortable. You can wear them for a good length of time without getting any discomfort. Now listen to this. Yeah, these have some really cool comfort features, even a nice rubbery kind of feel up here. And when you put those on, you can adjust them however you want. And yeah, that's great. Like even when the headphones are not on, it's got some good noise canceling. Like it's disturbing to kind of listen to myself even with them on. So I'm gonna take them off for now. But really comfortable, great features, really nice set of headphones. And you're looking for these in a very specific, like ones just like this, you can get them in different colors. Like the 910 version, you have, I think it's 5 or 6 different colors that they come with, and they're really cool colors like orange and blue, and they got the black, matte black, and some really cool ones that you can check out. And the ones in North America, I think they have some color versions as well that are really cool. And yeah, Sony does a great job on these headphones. Check them out. There's a link in the description below for some of the different versions that they have. And I suggest like pick some of these up. Make sure you look for good deals. The one that I'm putting the link to is the best deals that I can find, but check it out. They're really good. They're worth the purchase. They're a little bit of a cost to them, but they're worth it. Sony does a great job on these headphones. Check them out. We'll see you next time. Like and subscribe and have fun. Bye for now.